In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert an underscore on your document using your keyboard on either your computer or on your laptop. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, when we talk of an underscore, we are talking of a lower line that you can draw just below a word or next to a word like this. However, when you talk of hyphen, we are talking of a short line that also can be inserted just in the middle of a sentence or at the center of that sentence. So for this case, we want to see how you can insert an underscore on your computer. To do so, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to use this button just after number 0 here. So if you go ahead and tap on it, it will not draw an underscore, but it will insert a hyphen. For our case, we want an underscore, and therefore to do so, we need to change the function of this key. And we can simply change the function of this key by pressing first the shift key. You can just press one of the shift key on your computer or on your laptop. And then once you have pressed down the shift key using one finger, now use the other finger to tap on this button just next after number 0. So you can see if I tap on it, it will insert the underscore. Now several underscores will form a continuous line. So as long as I'm pressing down the shift key and press this button, it will draw a continuous line. So that's how you can insert an underscore on a document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.